So far in our persona-based lessons, we have primarily focused on viewing style pages from the home page or feed. Next, we'll look at the collection workspace and identify how it differs slightly when validating StyleZone resources. To begin, a StyleZone collection is a private workspace that contains multiple styles and can remain entirely confidential within a brand. Collections cannot be viewed by or shared with any external users, unless given the collection role of moderator. Collection roles follow a similar structure to group roles, and the permissions associated with each follow the same guidelines. The three assignable roles in a collection are moderators, contributors, and reviewers. To quickly review, moderators will have all management permissions, including the ability to invite and remove users, rename or remove collections altogether, add or remove styles, change the layout order of styles, and create organizational sections. Contributors can add or remove styles, change the display order of styles, and create new sections. Reviewers, on the other hand, are limited to only viewing the collection and its styles. With this in mind, we will now take a look at a collection from the perspective of a reviewer. As we mentioned in the interface overview lesson, collections will become available in your page's drop-down menu when invited to join a collection or by creating one yourself. Here we have several Browseware Cloud garments that have been assembled into a collection named Final Summer 22 Collection. To help organize the styles, they have been separated into sections labeled tops, bottoms, dresses, jackets, and athletic wear/swimwear. In the top left, we see the breadcrumb navigation and an icon that displays all the users with current access to the collection, along with their assigned collection role. In the top right, we have a few more options. We can use the search bar to quickly locate styles based on their name, and we can choose Present to hide some of the additional options on the page. This view is great for presenting the collection as a whole, as it cleans up the workspace and removes any possible distractions from occurring. Selecting the ellipses icon displays two more options, to start a new collection or to clone the current one on display. As a reviewer, functionality within collections is limited to only viewing the styles and their detail information. Knowing this, reviewers are useful for brands when needing to present and visually validate the styles in a collection, but the role will restrict any other abilities to change the styles. If we click into one of the styles, we are taken to a pop-out window that displays the collection presentation view. Using the arrows in the top right, we can navigate forward and backward through all of the styles in our collection. Under the basic style information, we see a header labeled Colorway Packs. Colorway packs are groups of colorways that have been arranged together. This example turtleneck has been organized into patterned colorways and solid colors. A third colorway pack contains all 5 colorways. Selecting a colorway pack brings the images associated with those colorways into the resources menu below. If we move to the next style in our collection, we can see that the colorways for this style have not been organized into packs. Clicking on each of the visible colorways will bring the image resources for that colorway into view. We can also see that one colorway has been hidden. This is an option that contributors and moderators can set for colorways that may not be desired for a final style. Once we have viewed all of the styles in our collection, we can exit out of the presentation view to return to the main workspace. And that concludes the persona-based lessons for reviewers. The final video will provide a workflow example to demonstrate some of the concepts we've introduced in their practical applications. We hope these lessons have prepared you to feel confident participating in your brand's StyleZone site. For further support, we invite you to visit the Browseware Help Center.